So, have you ever wondered what 2006 case would look like? Well, you're about to find out. So, the case from the front, it may seem like a normal old case, and it basically is. It's an old case, and it's not that good. It doesn't even have a cable management hole, so you could already tell it's a pretty bad one. That is a pretty old leftover case that I have found recently on the roof of my house. I found it and basically unlocked everything in it because it has a motherboard and stuff like that in it, so I opened it all, and then this is what the case looks like. This is how the case would look like from the back if you remove the back plate, and it's pretty straightforward. I mean, you put the hard drive down there and 4 DVDs there, so it's a pretty standard one. From the front, there is like that triangle button, Illuminati confirmed. Okay, so basically this is the only thing that was like good inside the case, or at least what I found good. Else I didn't find really much. This is what the back panel looks like. I don't have the front panel, but it's a pretty straightforward panel. I mean, it has 2 opening like in and out. A small hole so the air could go up, like out, and basically it manages the airflow because every computer needs that. This is a pretty old case, and this is what it looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content like this in this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. But seriously, that's an old case. No one would ever use it.